Presenting a pre-owned 2022 Volvo. This four-door SUV has engine with all-wheel drive and a 1-speed direct drive transmission. This Volvo has less than 74,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 92 miles per gallon in the city and 79 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and keyless entry.